Welcome to Tesla Rocket, where we unravel the secrets behind the automotive industry. Today, we're diving deep into Toyota's perspective on why Tesla and BYD are dominating the electric vehicle manufacturing game. Cut to Toyota executive interview, host. We sat down with a Toyota representative to get insights into their perspective on the EV landscape. According to Toyota, several key factors contribute to Tesla and BYD's lead. Slide 1, Innovation and Technology, host. First up, it's all about innovation and technology. Tesla's cutting-edge advancements in electric drivetrains and battery technology have given them a significant edge. BYD, with its robust R&D, follows closely. Toyota acknowledges the need to catch up in this department. Slide 2, Charging Infrastructure, host. Charging infrastructure is crucial. Tesla's extensive supercharger network and BYD's strategic partnerships have addressed range anxiety, giving them a market advantage. Toyota recognizes the importance of expanding their charging network to compete effectively. Slide 3, Production Scale, host. Production scale plays a pivotal role. Tesla and BYD have invested heavily in large-scale manufacturing, optimizing efficiency, and driving down costs. Toyota plans to ramp up production but acknowledges the current gap. Cut to Toyota's EV plans, host. Now, let's talk about Toyota's game plan. Despite the current challenges, Toyota is committed to an electric future. Slide 4, Toyota's electric future, host. Toyota reveals plans for a new wave of electric vehicles, leveraging their extensive experience and global reach. The company aims to bridge the gap, embracing innovation and scaling up production to compete head-on with industry leaders. Voiceover: In the fast-paced world of electric vehicles, Tesla and BYD have been leading the charge. But what sets them apart from the rest? Let's delve deeper into the key factors that make Tesla and BYD stand out. Cut to Tesla Gigafactory, host. One major factor is the Gigafactories. Tesla's state-of-the-art gigafactories are not only massive in scale but also highly efficient, allowing them to produce electric vehicles at an unprecedented pace. BYD, too, boasts impressive manufacturing facilities. Toyota acknowledges the need to invest more in these large-scale production facilities. Slide 5, Software Integration, host. It's not just about hardware, software integration is a game-changer. Tesla's over-the-air updates and advanced autopilot features have set a new standard. BYD's focus on smart and connected technologies contributes to their success. Toyota recognizes the importance of enhancing software capabilities in their future EVs. Slide 6, Consumer Appeal, host. Consumer appeal is crucial. Tesla's sleek designs and performance have created a cult. BYD's commitment to affordability and variety appeals to a broad audience. Toyota aims to bring more excitement to their EV lineup, understanding the importance of capturing consumers' hearts and minds. Cut to Toyota's EV Design Center, host. So, what's Toyota's response to these challenges? We got an exclusive look inside Toyota's EV Design Center. Slide 7, Design Innovation, host. Toyota is doubling down on design innovation, aiming to create electric vehicles that not only perform exceptionally but also turn heads. The goal is to blend cutting-edge technology with aesthetic appeal, making their EVs stand out in a crowded market. Voiceover: As the world accelerates towards an electric future, understanding the dynamics of the EV market becomes crucial. Today, we unravel Toyota's strategy to catch up with Tesla and BYD and position itself as a formidable force in the electric vehicle revolution. Slide 8, Sustainable Materials, host. Sustainability is at the core of the electric vehicle movement. Tesla and BYD have made strides in using sustainable materials in their manufacturing processes. Toyota emphasizes its commitment to eco-friendly practices, vowing to incorporate more sustainable materials in their EV production to meet rising environmental expectations. Slide 9, Global Partnerships, host. Global partnerships play a key role in expanding reach. Tesla's collaborations with various tech and energy companies have strengthened its market presence. BYD's strategic alliances have propelled its global growth. Toyota acknowledges the importance of forming new partnerships to enhance its global footprint in the electric vehicle landscape. Cut to Toyota's CEO statement. Host: We reached out to Toyota's CEO for an exclusive statement on their electric future. CEO: We recognize the challenges ahead, and we are fully committed to transitioning into a future dominated by electric mobility. Our focus is on innovation, sustainability, and global collaboration to bring cutting-edge electric vehicles to every corner of the world. Slide 10, Government Policies. Host: Government policies shape the EV landscape. Tesla and BYD have benefited from supportive policies that encourage electric vehicle adoption. Toyota advocates for more consistent and supportive policies globally to create a level playing field for all players in the EV market. Voiceover: As the electric vehicle revolution gains momentum, it's essential to explore how major players like Toyota are evolving their strategies. Join us as we uncover the latest developments and initiatives from Toyota to close the gap and compete with the frontrunners, Tesla and BYD. Slide 11, Customer Education. Host: Educating customers is a critical aspect. Tesla and BYD have excelled at communicating the benefits of electric vehicles to consumers. Toyota is ramping up its efforts to educate the market, emphasizing the advantages of their upcoming electric models and dispelling common misconceptions about EVs. Slide 12, Range and Performance. Host: Range anxiety remains a concern for potential EV buyers. Tesla's long-range capabilities have set a high standard. BYD's focus on improving battery technology contributes to their success. Toyota is investing heavily in extending the range of their electric vehicles, addressing one of the key barriers to widespread adoption. Cut to Toyota's Battery Innovation Lab. Host: We got an exclusive tour of Toyota's Battery Innovation Lab. Slide 13, Battery Technology. Host: In the quest for superior battery technology, Toyota is pushing the boundaries. The company is investing in research and development to create more efficient, longer-lasting batteries. This commitment reflects Toyota's determination to be a leader in the next generation of electric vehicles. Slide 14, Market Segmentation. Host: Understanding diverse consumer needs is paramount. Tesla's diverse lineup caters to various segments, and BYD's range includes affordable options. Toyota is strategically planning to introduce a versatile lineup to appeal to a broad spectrum of consumers, ensuring they have an electric vehicle for everyone. Voiceover: Welcome back to your channel name, where we delve into the latest developments in the electric vehicle landscape. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at Toyota's electric vehicle showcase and how they're strategically positioning themselves to challenge the dominance of Tesla and BYD. Slide 15, Enhanced Charging Solutions. Host: Efficient charging solutions are pivotal in the electric vehicle experience. Tesla's supercharger network and BYD's charging partnerships have set the bar high. Toyota is investing in enhancing their charging infrastructure, aiming for faster and more accessible charging to meet the growing demands of EV users. Slide 16, Autonomous Driving Capabilities. Host: Autonomous driving capabilities are reshaping the automotive industry. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving features have garnered attention. BYD is making strides in autonomous technology. Toyota is intensifying efforts to integrate advanced driver assistance systems, acknowledging the significance of autonomous driving in the future of mobility. Cut to Toyota's Innovation Center. Host: We visited Toyota's Innovation Center to get insights into the cutting-edge technologies. Slide 17, AI Integration. Host: Artificial intelligence is a driving force in the future of automobiles. Tesla's use of AI and self-driving technology is well known. BYD is also exploring AI applications. Toyota is committed to incorporating AI into their electric vehicles, focusing on creating smarter, more intuitive driving experiences. Slide 18, Customer Feedback Integration. Host: listening to customer feedback is crucial for improvement. Tesla's agile approach to updates is a testament to this. BYD actively engages with customer input. Toyota is fostering a more responsive feedback loop, ensuring that customer suggestions play a role in refining their electric vehicle offerings.